children, welcome to your home school. This is your next session of class 10 mathematics construction. In this session, we are going to start exercise 6.2. Okay, so in our last exercise, what we have learned, how to divide a line segment internally and also how to draw a similar triangle in a given ratio we have done. This is your last exercise, children. Here in this exercise, what we are going to do? We are going to draw a circle. For that, we are going to draw tangents either from the circumference or from the external point. So let's see the first problem here. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters. What did you understand here, children? Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters. So draw a circle here. Okay, this is how much? 6 centimeters radius. I have drawn a circle. So always when we are doing a construction, children, we need a rough figure. Now, 6 centimeter radius, we have drawn a circle. Then next, a point from a point 10 centimeters away from its center. So look here, children. From this point 10 centimeters away from a circle, I have to mark any one point somewhere. I'll mark. Okay, that point is at a distance of 10 centimeters from the center of the circle. So here, children, when you try to join, it will be like this, it may come. So first thing what you do, don't do circle first. In order to avoid mistakes, first do the line. That line we call it as a D. First, you draw a line with a given measurement. Then at one point, that line segment end point, you consider it as the center of a circle, and with the given radius, draw a circle. So now, next, what we need to do here? Construct the pair of tangents. Pair means how many? Two. Pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. By the way, what is a tangent, children? Tangent is a line which touches at one point of a circle. Maybe touching at the circumference of a circle, or one point of a circle is also called as a tangent. So from this point, we need to draw the tangents. So I've said, no, children, first what we need to do? First, draw the line. Okay, first draw a line segment of length 10 centimeters. Then with the 6 centimeters as radius, draw a circle. Now, what are the steps to do a tangent? I am going to say here. Please listen carefully. First step, draw a line or a given D. Distance D value. Then next step, considering any one endpoint of your line segment with the given radius, draw a circle. Third step, you need to draw a bisector for the line. How do you do a bisector, children, here? More than half. Take your skiva, above one arc from here, below one arc. And again, same measurement. Cut that arc, cut this arc. So now what you are going to get here? Like this, you need to get a perpendicular bisector. So after getting your bisector, what we are going to do? From this point as a center, measure and draw circle. Why circle, children? Two tangents asked. If it is one tangent, you can do semicircle, that's enough. So now, listen the word here. New circle touching the original circle. What is a new circle? This is a new circle, right? Touching the original circle at this point and this point. So from this point to here and this point to here, join. And this is center, this is a point. Let me mark it as AP and PB. AP and PB are what? These are only the tangents, pair of tangents we need to draw for our construction. Okay, then one more line asked, measure their lengths. So with scale you can measure or with the formula you can measure, children. Let's start our construction. 10 centimeters. Okay, so look here carefully. 10 centimeters, draw a line. What is this measurement here, children? 10 centimeters. I have drawn a line segment. Okay, now with any one point, let me mark this as O and this B, P. With O as a center, how much radius circle, children, here? 6 centimeters. See here, before starting your problem, you have to write given letters. Assume O is the center of a circle and OP is equal to 10 centimeters and radius of a circle. If you want, you can mark one more letter here. Radius of a circle OC is equal to 6 centimeters, you can say. Okay, so find the tangents is your question. So now measure how much, children, here? Let us measure here 6 centimeters. Okay, with O as a center. Look here carefully. With O as center, draw a circle. Draw a circle with 6 centimeter as a radius. Look here, children. Okay, this is how much here? 6 centimeters. Draw a circle. 6 centimeters. Draw a circle. Next step. What is your next step? Draw a bisector. How do you draw a bisector? More than half. Okay, more than half. So what you are going to do? Above one arc, below one arc. Then again from point P, same measurement, children. So let us extend here. Okay. So now no double arcs, children. So now and make, right? So now what you are going to do? First step, 10 centimeters, draw a line. Then one end point, draw a circle with radius 6 centimeters. Now more than half, draw above and below one arc. From P as a center, cut these two arcs. Then now what we are going to do? Join these. Okay? Yes, it is exactly here. Line is 10 centimeters, children. The circle radius is 6 centimeters, means exactly at 5 it divides. Perpendicular bisector divides a line into 2 equal halves. So now what we are going to do? Now measure this. This as a center. Look here, with this as a center. What you are going to do here, children? You are going to draw a semicircle. So now this semicircle, again complete circle you have to draw with the skiver. Don't do with free hand, children. So now semicircle, if one tangent, semicircle. But here two tangents, now I have drawn the circle. Now what we need to do? You remember the word new circle touching the old circle. What is the word again? The new circle touching the old circle. Where it is touching? Here at this point and also this point. So from that point to join P. Okay, look here carefully and again from here to here. Okay. So these two, let me mark it as A and B. So finally, what you are going to say here, children? AP and BP are the required AP and PB are the required tangents. AP and BP are the required tangents. Is our problem completed? No. What did they ask there? Measure their lengths. So let's start measuring here. Before measuring, I want to say you one formula. Tangent's length T is equal to square root of D square minus R square. Square root of, what is your distance here? 10. 10 whole square, radius 6. 6 whole square. That is tangent length is equal to 100 minus 36. That will be 64. That will be 8 centimeters. What is the tangent length by using formula, children? 8 centimeters. Now let us check with the scale. Again, this will be 8 centimeters. This is a by calculation and this by measurement. Measure means directly with scale you can measure. Calculate the tangent distance means you have to find with the formula. Okay, children, is this followed? This is the way we need to draw the tangents from an external point. Second problem. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeters. So, let's understand here. Okay, this is a circle, children. What is its radius here? 4 centimeter circle. Draw a tangent Z. Okay, from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeters. So look here, observe carefully. What is this? Once again, let us see. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeters. Okay, for this 4 centimeter circle, we have to draw a tangent from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeters. Oh, concentric circles, do you know the meaning? Same center, different radius. So now this is 4 centimeter, right? With the same center, I am going to draw another circle that is called as a concentric circle. These two are having same center, different radius. From here to here 4 and from here to here 6 centimeters. What is the question? Measure its length and verify the measurement by actual calculation. Anywhere on this circle at any one point, from that point to draw tangent to this circle. Understand the question carefully here. So you need to draw a tangent for small circle. From where? From this circle, any one point on the circle to this circle, you need to draw the tangent. For that, what we need to do here, children? So let us imagine this is a point where I need to draw a tangent for this circle. Same manner what we have done first problem, same manner. So now more than half, cut, join, semicircle. If pair means 2, look here, how many tangents they asked here? 8 tangent, only one, children. So no need of full circle here, only semicircle enough. Semicircle touching the circle, that is only a tangent. So let's mark it. AP is a required tangent. So here they asked to measure its length and verify the measurement by actual calculation. With scale you measure and you apply the formula, and with actual measurements you find out that one. So now let's start your problem here, children. Solution. So let us start with what they have given us. So there are 2 concentric circles here. This is, let this be C1, let this be C2. C1 R1 is equal to 4 centimeters. Okay. Then second circle radius is equal to how much here? 6 centimeters. We need to draw the tangent. So for that, first thing what we need to do, children, here, first we should not draw circle. First we need to draw the line. What is its length here? 6 centimeters. So how much is this? 6 centimeters. Draw a line. So here this is a point P. Now with any point as a center, so now concentric circles I need to draw now. So now let me go with the 4 centimeters radius. Okay, so let's draw a circle here, children. Okay, with this. Okay. On board little it was moving. Now 4 centimeters I have drawn a circle. Now from here, what is the line length here, children? 6, no? So with this 6 centimeter, so draw another circle. Okay, so please try to understand here problem. Okay, try to understand, little measurements were adjusted here, but you don't try to do in your notes. First thing what we have done here, children, from here to here 6 centimeters, draw a line, and with 4 centimeters this as a center, draw a circle, and with 6 centimeter draw another circle which touches this point. So now what you are going to do from here, so from any one point more than half, above 1 arc, below 1 arc, and again here same point, children, don't move this. Okay, so now draw a bisector, draw a perpendicular bisector. So now this is your perpendicular bisector. With this, what we are going to do? Measure this and then draw a semicircle. Okay, so like this, children, draw a semicircle. You have to draw a semicircle where it touches the circle. Look here carefully, observe carefully here. Semicircle where it is touching the circle. Can you see here carefully? From there to draw a line. This is your tangent. What is your tangent here, children? AP is a required tangent. Once again I repeat here. Please look here carefully. How we have done? First draw a line of 6 centimeters length. Then one end point you consider with 4 centimeter, draw a circle, and from there only concentric circle there. So 6 centimeter, draw another circle. Then next what we are going to do? More than half, draw a perpendicular bisector. Then this as a center, draw a semicircle. Semicircle touching the circle. From there to this point P, this is your tangent. So now what you are going to do here, children? With the scale you measure, right? Write that the measurement of the tangent AP is equal to so and so centimeter. Then with actual calculation asked, what is the actual calculation here, children? How do you calculate here? So now what is this? Look here, like this. Tangent length is equal to square root of d square minus r square. What is your d here? From here to here it is 6 6 36. And what is the radius of this circle, children? 4 4 4 16. That will be how much? 36 minus 16, it will be 20. That will be 2 root 5 centimeters. Okay, root 5 value, it will be 2 point something you are going to get, children, here. Root 5 value will be 2.47 will be. So if you add, it will be 4.47 centimeters is a tangent. What is the tangent here? AP. Tangent length by actual calculation is this one, children, 4.47 centimeter. With scale, if you measure also, approximately same will get. So 1 decimal, no problem. If it is a change, nothing will happen. Third problem, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. So we have to draw a circle. Its radius is 3 centimeters. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter. Okay, let's see the rough figure here, children. Draw a circle. And what is its radius? 3 centimeters. But they are saying diameter, extended diameter. So what do you do? If you draw one more radius towards the center, then this full complete line becomes the diameter. Now once again read here carefully. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Take 2 points P and Q. Where I have to take? Is it here? No. P and Q on one of its extended diameter. So extended diameter somewhere here P and somewhere Q. But I don't know how much I need to extend here. Look here carefully. Each at a distance of 7 centimeters from its center. Yes, now got the clarity of where this point should lie. 7 centimeters away from the center. Means what, children, here? This will be 4 plus 3 will be 7. Means 4 centimeter and again 4 centimeter. Look here. See how it is looking cross, right? So instead of doing like this, easy technique, children. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 centimeters. First you draw a line, then your problem will be neat and in a straight path it will be. Now, what is your question? From P and from Q, draw a pair of tangents to the circle. Okay, children. Now, so imagine this one here. How to find this? From center, always you consider when you need to draw a tangent, from here to here you consider. More than half. From here, cut this, join, do the semicircle means only one, children. Circle means 2 tangents. Semicircle or a new circle touching the old circle, join over. These are the 2 tangents from P point. Then same manner you have to draw 2 tangents for Q point. How? From here, more than half, cut the arc, then draw the bisector, then semicircle. So from where here to you are going to get. Semicircle means 1, children. Circle means 2 tangents you are going to get. So from here where it touches the new circle touching the old circle, those 2 are called as the tangents. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are the tangents for the given circle. This is the way we do the construction, children. Let's start the original construction. What I have said for you, when we are doing original, instead of doing half of parts, first draw a line. How much is that line? 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. It will be how much? 14 centimeters. So 14 centimeters you have to draw a line. Okay. So 14 centimeters I have drawn a line. So from here you need a center to draw a circle. How do you do, children, here? So now more than half, bisect this. Look here carefully. So now this is the center. Okay. So look here, to make a center point, I have done a bisector. Or if you want to do with a scale directly, you can measure the center and you can draw, no problem. This is not so necessary. So now with this as a center, how much radius? See here children, now I am not using any construction material. With a free hand I am trying to show you this. Please try to support me and you do in your notes carefully with the actual compass, right? So now what is the line measurement here children? It will be 14 centimeters. So now with this as a center, what is the radius here? With 3 centimeters as a radius, draw a circle. Then this is the extended points P and this is Q. Okay. So now from P and Q, draw 2 tangents asked. So now I am going to do it with another color. Right? Now, from here and from here, more than half, draw the bisector. Then next, from here, measure here children, measure, okay, measure and draw the circle. So here, if 1 semi enough, but we need to draw 2, no? So full circle needed. In the same manner, here also children, look here carefully, more than half from here, cut that, more than half, bisector, then measure like this from the bisecting point to any one point, end points. So again, draw the circle. Now what is your question here children? Remember carefully, draw tangents from P and Q. The new circle, this is new and this blue color is new. New circle touching the old circle. Where it is touching? Here and also here. So take a scale and try to join this and try to join this. Mark A, B. Look here, here also. This new circle touching the old circle at here and here. Take a scale and then try to join these two. Okay, mark C, D. Now look here. Therefore, what you are going to write here children? Therefore, AQ, BQ and here PC and PD are the required tangents from the extended diameter of a circle having radius 3 centimeter. So these are the pair of tangents from P and that is the pair of tangents from Q. So here children, construction is very easy. So try to do the construction at least 2 times. So with this we are going to end our session children. Thank you all.